Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the law of demand. What is law of demand? The law of demand states that other thing being equal, other thing means factor affecting the demand, whether price of the related goods, price of the substitute goods, income of the consumer, taste and preference, own price of the commodity. These are the things and etc. are should be a equal, should be a constant, and quantity demanded increase with decrease in own price of the commodity, and vice versa. In other words, we can say that there is an inverse relationship between the quantity demanded of a commodity and its own price, and other thing remaining the constant. The term other thing being equal implies that all other determinants of demand other than own price of the commodity remain constant. So law of demand states that other thing remain constant, and there is inverse relationship between the quantity demanded of own price of the commodity. So, and next is assumptions of law of demand. The assumptions of law of demand, there the consumer is rational means the consumer is reasonable and logical. There is a assumptions mean law of demand hold goods when the other thing remain the same. अदर थिंग रिफर टू द अदर फैक्टर अदर देन ओन प्राइस ऑफ द कमोडिटी. प्राइस के अलावा जो अदर फैक्टर्स हैं जो कमोडिटी वो सेम होने चाहिए. दैट इज़ कंज्यूमर इज़ रेशनल, कंज्यूमर रेशनल है, रीजनेबल है, लॉजिकल है, एंड देर इज़ नो चेंज इन द प्राइस ऑफ द रिलेटेड गुड्स. जो प्राइस हैं रिलेटेड गुड्स में उसमें कोई भी चेंज नहीं होना चाहिए. एंड नेक्स्ट टेस्ट एंड प्रेफरेंस कंज्यूमर रिमेन द सेम. जो टेस्ट एंड प्रेफरेंस है कंज्यूमर का वो पूरी तरह से सेम होना चाहिए. एंड देयर इज़ नो चेंज इन द इनकम ऑफ द बायर. एंड प्राइस ऑफ रिलेटेड गुड डू नॉट चेंज. जो प्राइस है गुड का वो चेंज नहीं होना चाहिए. तो कंज्यूमर डू नॉट एक्सपेक्ट एनीथिंग सिग्निफिकेंट चेंजली अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ द कम्युनिटी इन नियर फ्यूचर. Then we can say that this is a demand schedule, means it is a tabular presentations that show the relationship between the quantity demanded and price. When the price is 50, the quantity demanded is 1, and when the price is 40, quantity demanded is 2, and when the price is 30, the quantity demanded 3, like that 24 and 10 5. And this is a curve. When the curve indicate that on the x-axis we are taking the quantity, and on the y-axis we are taking the price. PA refer to the product A price, PB refer to the product B price, and QA quantity A and quantity B. When the price is PA, we can consume quantity QA quantity, and when the price is fall from PA to PB, we increase the quantity, that is QB, QA to QB. That increase, so there is inverse relationship between the price and the quantity demanded, and our demand curve is downward sloping because indicate more the purchase in the response to fall in price. And there is inverse relationship between the own price and diminishing on price of the commodity and its quantity demanded. And the reason for the and why the demand curve slope is downward, because of the law of diminishing marginal utility. According to the consumption community increase, marginal utility of each successive unit is gone on diminishing, and every additional unit to be purchased, consumer will pay less and less price. Next, income effect. Because of the income effect, quantity demanded where real income buyer change in the price of the commodity. Substitute effect. Substitute effect to the one commodity, and other than it become relative cheaper. Size of the group. When the price of the commodity fall, may carry effect to buy it. According demand for the commodity expand, and different user goods may be have several use, like milk of example it used for making curd, cheese, butter, etc. Thank you.